What if I told you that somewhere in the universe, two monsters, each billions of times more massive than our sun, are spiraling toward each other, destined to collide in one of the most powerful events since the Big Bang?
This is not science fiction. This is happening right now. Welcome to Infinite Science, where we explore the deepest mysteries of the cosmos.
Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme and fascinating phenomena ever observed. Two supermassive black holes on the very brink of collision. By the end of this video, you'll understand
what supermassive black holes really are, how galaxies collide and bring these giants together, what happens when black holes merge, and why this cosmic event could reshape our understanding of the universe. Let's begin.
Section 1. What are supermassive black holes? At the center of nearly every large galaxy lies a supermassive black hole. These are not your typical black holes formed from collapsing stars. They are enormous, millions to billions of times the mass of our sun. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, hosts one called Sagittarius A star. But some galaxies contain black holes so massive that they defy comprehension.
Their gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it crosses the event horizon. Yet despite their name, black holes are not empty voids. They are incredibly dense regions where space and time themselves are warped. Section 2. How do two supermassive black holes end up together? To understand this, we need to think on a galactic scale. Galaxies are not static. They move, interact, and sometimes collide.
When two galaxies merge, their central black holes begin a slow gravitational dance. At first, they orbit each other from great distances. Over millions, sometimes billions of years, they spiral closer together. This happens because of gravitational interactions with stars, gas, and dark matter surrounding them. Eventually, they form what scientists call a binary supermassive black hole system.
This is where things get interesting.
Section 3. The final spiral, the brink of collision. As the two black holes get closer, their orbit speeds up dramatically. They begin to lose energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of spacetime.
These waves were predicted by Einstein over a century ago and only recently detected. At this stage, the black holes are locked in a death spiral. Each orbit becomes tighter, each pass more violent. This is the final parsec problem, the last stage before collision, which scientists once thought might stall indefinitely. But new observations suggest that in some systems, the final merger is actually imminent. And that's exactly what researchers are now seeing. Section 4. What happens when they collide? When two supermassive black holes finally merge, the result is one of the most energetic events in the universe. The collision releases an enormous burst of gravitational waves. These waves can travel across billions of light years. The newly formed black hole may recoil, like a cosmic kick, due to uneven energy emission. In some cases, it can even be ejected from its host galaxy. Surrounding gas and dust heat up, producing intense radiation that can outshine entire galaxies. This is not an explosion like a supernova. It's something far more powerful and far more subtle. A distortion of space-time itself. Section 5. How do we detect these events? You might be wondering, if black holes emit no light, how do we observe them? Scientists use indirect methods. Telescopes detect unusual motion of stars and gas near galactic centers. Radio observations reveal jets and emissions from material falling into black holes. But the most exciting tool is gravitational wave detection. Facilities like LIGO and Virgo have already detected collisions of smaller black holes. For supermassive ones, scientists are developing new observatories, including space-based detectors.
There's also a technique using pulsars, extremely precise cosmic clocks, to detect gravitational waves across the galaxy. Together, these tools allow us to hear the universe.
Section 6. The current discovery. Astronomers have identified systems where two supermassive black holes are extremely close, on the verge of merging. These observations come from advanced telescopes analyzing light across multiple wavelengths.
In some cases, scientists observe periodic signals, evidence of two massive objects orbiting each other. In others, distorted jets or unusual emissions reveal the presence of dual black holes. One of the most exciting findings suggests that a pair may be just thousands of years away from merging, a blink of an eye in cosmic time.
Section 7. Why this matters. This isn't just a spectacular event. It's a key to understanding how galaxies evolve. Black hole mergers shape the structure of galaxies. They influence star formation.
They redistribute energy across vast regions of space. Studying these events helps scientists answer fundamental questions. How did supermassive black holes grow so large? How common are galaxy mergers? What role do black holes play in cosmic evolution? And perhaps most importantly, what else is out there that we haven't yet discovered? Section 8. What would it look like from Earth? If such a merger happened in our galaxy, it would be extraordinary, but not necessarily visible to the naked eye.
We wouldn't see a massive explosion. Instead, instruments would detect powerful gravitational waves passing through Earth. The sky might show unusual activity near the galactic center, but we would be safe.
These events, while incredibly powerful, are too distant to pose a threat. Still, the idea that space-time itself could ripple through our planet is mind-blowing. Section 9. The future of black hole research. We are entering a new era of astronomy. An era where we don't just observe light, we observe gravity itself. Upcoming missions will allow us to detect supermassive black hole mergers in unprecedented detail. We may soon map the population of binary black holes across the universe, and perhaps even witness a merger in real time. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the deepest laws of physics. Section 10. The bigger picture. Two supermassive black holes on the brink of collision remind us of something profound. The universe is not static. It is dynamic, violent, ever-changing.
Galaxies collide. Black holes merge. Space-time ripples. And through it all, we continue to observe, learn, and explore. If you found this journey into the cosmos fascinating, make sure to subscribe to Infinite Science for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe.
Like this video, share it with others who love space and discovery, and let me know in the comments, what cosmic phenomenon should we explore next? Because here at Infinite Science, the universe is just the beginning. See you in the next video.